HomeLink allows you to control your garage door directly from your Lexus vehicle. First, clear any existing codes by pressing and holding the two outer HomeLink buttons on the rearview mirror until the indicator light flashes rapidly, about 20 seconds. Then, position your Lexus within 5 to 10 feet of the garage door. Press and hold the desired HomeLink button on the rearview mirror and the garage door opener's remote button simultaneously until the HomeLink indicator light changes from slow to rapid flash. If your garage door uses rolling code technology, press the Learn or Smart button on the garage door opener motor inside the garage. Immediately return to your Lexus and press the programmed HomeLink button 2 to 3 times, pausing for a couple of seconds each time until the garage door activates. Test the button to ensure the garage door opens and closes properly. If the initial programming fails, ensure your garage door opener is compatible by operating on 300 to 400 MHz radio frequencies. If using a rolling code system, repeating the Learn button sync is crucial for successful pairing. Consider using the HomeLink app available for iOS and Android for newer Lexus models, which simplifies setup via QR code scanning or Bluetooth pairing. This app is especially useful for Wi-Fi-enabled garage doors. For persistent issues, check your Lexus owner's manual or contact your local Lexus dealership for assistance. They may offer smart garage clinics to help program HomeLink. Security is paramount. Keep your Lexus firmware updated to mitigate potential hacking risks. If you're still facing difficulties, it might be time to consider upgrading to a smart garage door opener for seamless integration.